How to delete your Payoneer account permanently. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to delete your Payoneer account, first of all, you need to go to the support center of Payoneer. So once you have reached the customer service or the customer care, you can send them message. For that, you have to select on your language and on their topic, select My Payoneer account. Once you click on the drop-down menu, select on Close and reopen the account. And then you have to choose on I wish to close my account. From here, you have to write down your first name, last name, email and give the reason why you are closing your Payoneer account from the list of options. Choose any that suits you. Then you have to choose if you are planning to link and use the existing account or not. Give the last 4 digits of your bank account. Choose the date of birth that you kept first and provide a feedback. After that, you have to solve the CAPTCHA and submit it. And within few days, your account will be closed. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.